And it seems that Pakistan have won the toss. What are you going to do?
We are bowling first.
And the reasons for that?
Reason is that's the pitch look like is very nice. So, and second thing is a due factor. So that's why we are bowling first and take early wickets and put pressure on them.
And the momentum is good. बहुत अच्छा track record आपका चल रहा है. So the mood must be great in the camp.
Yeah, definitely. Mood are very cool and calm, and we are trying to continue that momentum. And win always give you confidence. So that's why we are looking forward to the match.
And any changes in your?
No, we have the same team.
All the best, Babar.
Thanks.
So it seems like you'll be batting first. You okay with that?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. No, we also bowled first because later on it's a little bit dew and also humidity too much, sweating a lot. That's why there wasn't a ball grip at the end. It's a part of the game, but we try our best to put a big total on the board. And as a bowling group, we give our comment, focus on a line all in there.
To look at Pakistan because I'm just looking at the atmosphere and it seems that there's a little extra edge to this contest.
Yeah, always it's a tough game.